Welcome to your afternoon weather update from the Met Office. The first day today of a heat wave for some parts of the UK. The heat is likely to peak on Saturday. Here's the view from space. Largely clear skies across the UK. This chain of cloud out in the Atlantic is a whole host of weather fronts and low pressure systems. But if we put the winds on high in the sky, the jet stream, you can see that it's pushing all of that cloud on those weather fronts to the north of the UK. They are still affecting the far north, bringing some thicker cloud at times over the Western Isles and the Northern Isles, maybe even a little bit of showery rain here and there over the Highlands, maybe the Grampians too. But for most places, it's dry. It's a sunnier day compared to yesterday for a good part of England and Wales. There is some mist and low cloud and sea fog milling around the Irish Sea. That may affect some coasts here at times. But most places, it's all about the sunshine. More of it than yesterday. Temperatures higher than yesterday, likely to exceed 30 Celsius across parts of the Midlands, southeast England, and temperatures just ticking up further north as well. That will continue. Not as warm across the far northwest with thicker cloud and a brisk breeze, but we are going to see that rain just pulling away to the north. It'll be a little damp over Shetland through the first part of the night, but generally becoming dry even across the far north of Scotland. Mist and low cloud, that's going to be another issue again through the Irish Sea. So the east coast of Northern Ireland, just like this morning, may start a bit murky, and some other coasts through the Irish Sea, around the Isle of Man, southwest of Scotland, even around the coast of North Wales, could be a bit murky first thing on Friday as well. It will be a pretty warm night. Temperatures in the south in particular holding up in the mid to high teens, 18 probably the low in London and Cardiff, a little bit more comfortable further north, but temperatures will be rising here by day and by night as we head into the weekend. So Friday morning, when you pull the curtains back across the east coast of Northern Ireland, it may well be a little bit murky. Some mist and sea fog just in here. It may take a while for it to clear away. Always the threat of it coming back, but tending to shrink as we go through the day. And the same goes for and around Anglesey in the Isle of Man. But generally, it is going to be a sunny day tomorrow for the vast majority. Across northern Scotland, a sunnier day. Those weather fronts finally starting to peel away, and it will again be hotter by a degree or so, more widely over 30 Celsius across the heart of England. 31, 32 likely in one or two spots. The coast will be a little cooler, but you can see that warmth extending now further north into northern Scotland. Along the Moray Firth, we could get into the high 20s, and a warmer day too through the central belt with more sunshine. A balmy summer's evening this Friday if you're heading out. And then as we head into the weekends, well, temperatures will be ticking up a little further on Saturday. Notice that weather front not too far away, and you can see it's a similar pattern to how we start, with high pressure now edging a little bit further to the east of the UK. But again, if we put those winds high up, you can see what the jet stream's doing, and it's now just tilted. So it's pushing the weather fronts and the low pressure systems further away, allowing that high pressure to dominate even more. And that means with the day-on-day rise of the temperatures, that high pressure squashing the air, more sunshine on Saturday, we'll likely see the peak of the temperatures probably across East Wales, West Midlands down to Herefordshire, Gloucestershire, that sort of area, 32, maybe a 33, perhaps even a degree or so higher in one or two locations. A little cooler on some of these eastern coasts, a little warmer perhaps in northern Scotland, could get to 30 Celsius along the Moray coastline there, and a hotter feel across the Highlands as well. Still pretty hot here on Sunday, but temperatures elsewhere on Sunday a little bit lower. A bit more cloud across eastern areas and a bit more breeze picking up here too, but still, it's still going to be a hot day for the vast majority. For more details on the weekend, you can catch Aidan with the weekend forecast. That'll be available on Thursday afternoon on our YouTube channel.